Everybody, this is a Wink Hub 2 unboxing video. I just picked up my Wink Hub 2 from Amazon yesterday. Well, it got shipped to me yesterday. Here's the outer box. All the products that it's compatible with. The back of the box. And of course, the other side of the box telling you that it's compatible with the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. You get inside the box and you get this nice black Wink box. You open that up and you get the Wink. You get the Wink Hub 2. It's almost an Apple-like designed product, as you can see here. It's very neat, clean, well designed. Feels very well designed in your hand. I mean, very thick, very weighty in your hand. Stands up like this. As you can see, it has two ports on the back, one for a power port, one for an Ethernet port. Comes with a Wink Hub 2 quick start guide. Set that off to the side. And then the rest of the product inside here, which is a Wink Hub 2 Ethernet. It's just an Ethernet cable, and then the power cable. So I'm gonna set this up. I'm gonna plug the Ethernet cable in. So if you look at through the quick start guide, they recommend plugging this into to an Ethernet port and plugging the power in. Downloading the Wink app, which I already have from my previous Wink experiences. So I'll update that, and once that's updated, I will sync it with the new Wink hub, and come back on and let you guys know what the hub is doing. So I'll be right back. To show this off really quick, this Ethernet cable is very similar to the Philips Hue Ethernet cable. It's white in nature, and it also is very slim. So it's very similar to the Philips Hue Ethernet cable. Here's the power cable. It's just a traditional power cable. This is the Wink set up in all its glory, connected to my wireless network, and it works perfectly.